I can't believe somebody took the other bird. I mean, I just can't even.
Maybe it was an accident.
Oh, because they didn't pay her for it either. I am so excited to be here. This place is beautiful. The area is beautiful. It's one of those where when you're driving, it just keeps getting better and better. Full on old money, quiet luxury estates, the whole thing. Look at this. They have the thing for the deer. I mean, it's just amazingly beautiful here. It's a beautiful day. I am here looking for vintage jewelry to collect and resell. That is my favorite thing to do. It's what I'm best at. I had a shop in New York called Hudson Vintage. Now I have hudsonvintagefinds.com. So check it out if you want to browse what I find, especially vintage jewelry and accessories, and also other things. Since I just bought a house, I'm also looking for that. And it looks like they have a tent set up. Oh my goodness.
And then this small brown runner.
Oh, look at the bird cage.
So will you do this again in the house?
Yeah, you got the 10.
That is gorgeous. $65. I am distracted by this beautiful thing. It doesn't have a price. I'm going to go to the jewelry counter now. I heard that there is, I saw it. Oh gosh, look at that wood. Lamps. Look at those. Pink chairs. Look at these. These are $95 for the pair. That's like brutalist metal. Where's the jewelry? Oh, there it is. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that.
You guys see the workers down prices.
That is $350. Love the artwork. Okay, let me get over there. Clear base flip top, 1870s, $365. Wow.
Oh, Linda? Yeah. Did she tell you how much she said? 25 of these two?
That looks good. That looks like it could be Moni's. Oh, Thierry Mugler. Perfume. Okay, I like the pearls. That's actually what I came for. That might be gone.
Thank you.
That's cool. I'll take a look at a couple pieces when you're ready. Are the pearls spoken for?
Yes.
Look at that. Lamp and then look at this. Crazy. I guess it's a CONSIGN. Okay. We'll start with this one. Pretty pearls. Pearl. Some semi-precious. How much is this?
Sir, excuse me.
I did not see it.
15.
I will take that.
Your name?
The large wooden. Wow, that's a chunker. That's a chunker.
No. Who do I need?
There's John right there with the glasses on his head.
45.
He's in a gray shirt.
I thought it would be marked. It is not. Okay, you can have that back. How about the chandelier earrings that I think are Joan Rivers? Those are pretty.
I'm going to get these for 38.
Those are 25. I'll check those for a mark.
Oh, okay, so.
There's no mark on these. I feel like they're better than Joan Rivers. That's very nice. Looks like CZ actually. So we'll get those. They're 25. Those are yes. Yep, that please. Whoa. Oh, I recognize this. This comes from like cruises.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah. It says
Now that you mentioned it, it does.
I cannot make out that piece of tape. I think it says 25. All right, I will pass on that. Lastly, I would like to see the one you just covered up that looks Native American. Wow.
Just grab those while I know while she's.
John said $4.
That is spectacular. That is also 45.
What is it?
It needs, I don't know. I mean, it's really spectacular. I have a good feeling about it. I'm going to get that as well.
1, 2, 3.
It might be a mistake, but
10.
it's beautiful, and it looks like it's in perfect condition. Let's look through here.
You're welcome.
Ooh, those are cool. Oh, damaged. This must be things that are damaged. What is this?
Okay, what did you say that?
Oh, I'm going to get that.
Okay.
Yeah, you can add that to the list. Another one of these. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Work with that thing.
Let me see if I can get this straight. Look at this mirror. Beautiful. All this art. So the house is not open yet. I thought the house was open, but it's not. So we'll come back to that when they do it. They're going to do it another day. Oh, that watercolor is amazing. I must go look at that watercolor. This is like a church pew. Okay. Country. Oh, that's stunning.
Who are you? Who am I? He's ready to do.
Beautiful. How about behind the sofa or something?
Oh, I already have.
Books.
What about behind the sofa? And I said, I already have.
This place is cool, man. Look at the quality of the stuff in this garage.
No, I have a table. I have a library table, like a bigger library table.
Those are a nice pair.
Gotcha.
Look at those. Okay. Oh, there's a whole section over here.
I have it myself.
And did they tell you with the steroid cream that
I love this so much.
had it a while ago?
Oh, the table is in good condition underneath.
Thin out your skin.
Wow. What are these? Oh, Ramses. Okay. Painted table. Look at those. Pillows are fabulous. Settee. Wow, this place is a bit like Wonderland. Textiles. Look at the needlepoint on that. $5.50 the pair. My goodness, and they are worn to perfection. That's beautiful.
That's a religious. Want to mess around with it? Fixer.
That's kind of fun. Flower choker.
So I'm not going to be able to sell your broken furniture.
Okay. Oh, lots of shirts. Bergdorf's. Fun hats. Check the black one. Oh no, that's just a... Alright. That's silk. That's beautiful. Oh, that's beautiful. Small. Oh, it's 42. That's so high. That is so high.
Like I've seen really bad ones. So
This I really like.
a scratch here and there, it's like that's expected. You know, we love their albums so much.
Oh,
So.
okay. That's great. It's a small Lauren Alperen. Oh, this is vintage. This is beautiful.
I mean, they have a house now, but I guess.
That is beautiful. That looks genuinely old cotton lawn.
Yeah, she had that house.
No, that may be the house they're in now.
Ooh,
But they're buying this one.
Nice.
that is beautiful.
What do you need, Gene?
That's really nice.
Look at the bottom. The buttons down the back.
See what they will charge you.
I'll find out how much it is. There's another one here with a big hole in it. Gloria Sachs. I don't know. I don't know if it's something I want to take on. I mean, it looks pretty perfect. I'll find out how much it is. Just hanging out, or?
No, I'm working actually. My feet hurt.
I didn't go because I'm like.
No, I didn't go early enough.
Oh, so you didn't. Oh, you went.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at the work on this. How sexy is that? That's 10.
All right, I'll take it.
They'll pay you. You'll pay in front whenever.
All right, thank you. $10, definitely worth an oxy soak for that.
Thank you.
Oh, look at these.
They had that music box. I said, "Why don't you try it?"
That's 15. Oh, there's my umbrellas. Oh, these are amazing. All 9 of them for $6.50. Oh my gosh. I love the way they're framed. That's good. That's really good for the right person. Be nice or leave. Can I buy that sign?
Monkey.
Well, look. You've got more. You have the Mona Lisa.
Yes.
She's wonderful. $250, $65 for the pair of these.
She brought breakfast in for me this morning. You know what she brought me for breakfast?
Something healthy.
No, lumpy gruel.
Lumpy gruel.
Yeah, it was the worst.
Oh, look at the
It was cold on top
birds.
of it.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
Put in the other hand.
Look at that. On the edge of the driveway, underneath the grill, is an old, large needlepoint Aubusson rug. Okay, so the story with these is that there's only certain people left alive that can repair these. And this one is not in bad shape. But it's like buying a Victorian house. I mean, it's a labor of love and upkeep, and you truly do become the custodian of these things. But look how subtle and divine that is. It is beautiful. I love this. Oh my God, does that say $45? It does. Wow. I can't get anything in this kind of condition. Rob will kill me, but it's amazing.
I walk into doorways.
Like this. That's nice. Ooh, legs. These are nice legs. Legs can be handy. This is here. Some festive Halloween stuff. Ooh, look at all the yarn. Ooh, the big yarn. The big yarn. It doesn't make sense to buy it and send it to Danny because then the cost increases. It's better. Ooh, look at this little like blue ribbon flower. This is that old, not cotton. It's that mix. The rug looks nice. I don't do rugs unless I'm absolutely sure where they come from and how clean they are. These chairs are amazing. These actually look like they could be like Biedermeier or something like that. Look at those feet. Yeah, there's old springs in there. Wow, it's a little... Oh no, it's designed that way. No, that's separate. That has separated. That's interesting because it's separated on the outside of both of them. Table is gorgeous. Little nightstand. Ooh, no, 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 no. I don't want anything that has wildlife remnants in it. That's not what I'm looking for. Cool. There's a whole bunch of pieces of lamps in here. That's an old oil lamp. Wow. This, I have no idea what it is, but that's pretty cool. It looks like it went like with some kind of like maybe an animal, you know, like a farm animal or something. That's metal. Oh, this is pretty. Now, this is nice condition. Maybe nice condition. Treasure stuck. Oh, it comes with the mirror. There's the stand, so it's a small vanity. A kid made it. It reminds me of something I made. These are interesting. That is glass. Originally a pocket watch holder, but maybe now it, you know, could be for ornaments or something. I don't need it. I like it, but I don't see a use for it right now, so we will pass. Ooh. Operas. Opera coasters. Great. Pinrail. The thing about these is that they don't feel dry. Like they feel like they've got moisture in them. Hi.
Somebody, sorry.
And then that's beautiful. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, it's got a little bear on it. Oh, I liked it until I saw the bear. All right. I love this side. Oh, look at these. How much is this stuff on this table?
Put it all together, we can make a deal.
Okay. All right. So I will put these. Oh, what is this? No, it's these that I like. These are gorgeous. It's interesting to me that they've got hangers coming out of them that are different. Let me check them. Are those holes? This is so interesting. Maybe they're pomanders. All right, I will put these in a pile. I do like this. That's pink glass. That's supposed to be there. I know, it's flashed. Oh my gosh, it's flashed. Okay. I'll put this back. These are great. Ooh, look at that. These are great. They're so beautiful. There's 4 of them. All right, I will put those together. Oh, I see something over there. This tray is fabulous. The tray. What's this? Created Hong Kong, Japan. Okay, I need to make a better, I need to like, ooh, what's that? Look at that. Okay, I need to take a closer look at that. Stand by. That's pretty. That's signed. Maybe we'll put
Somebody
that
wants that
somewhere.
brush. That's the greatest thing ever. I've been trying to figure out what to do with that brush.
I'm actually just trying to get to the tray.
I'm always giving you these chores.
Of course, this one's probably worth the least, but I love it so. I love it so. All right, we'll put that in the pile. And now this, checking.
I go to the other place now.
That is actually lucite.
There might be a Monty Python CD in there too.
Looks like, yeah, it's got a repair. It's got issues. All right, we'll put that back, and now I'm going to check this one with my loop. I think that's the one that's signed. Oh, is that the one? Yeah, I have to find the one that's signed and check it. And that one, it definitely is signed, and it's in good condition. Yeah, I really like these two. That one. And that one, I love the colors too. So pretty. All right, oops. And then little, like, things, the salts that do that. And then these little birds. Oh yeah, lovely. The thing is, I used to collect this kind of women's work, and it became something that I was really like, I would take it out and look at it and launder it once a year with the special soap. Oh my gosh, look at this work. Look at that. I did, when I had my shop, Hudson Vintage, I did have someone making tops out of the old cut work tablecloths. A French lady. Oh, wow. Look at that. Arrange the sun. This is beautiful linens, really beautiful linens. She said the house has been here since before the Revolutionary War, and a lot of this has been here with the family. Somebody was a crafter. Okay, that's exquisite. That is a petticoat. Okay, this is valuable. This is an older one with the drawstring waistband. It's a petticoat underlayer, and look. Hold on, let me see if I can see the lace detail. Okay, we will add that. I want to hear what you have to say about it.
I'm just saying, this is like really old.
I know.
Like original, you know.
But the thing is, the lace is so beautiful.
Yeah, no, this is from like the like late 1800s.
Yeah.
And it was a family item, and I love that you're going to love it.
I am a custodian of these things. I take them out, I launder them like once a year.
Did you look at all the other linens?
I did,
Okay,
yeah.
there's
I
more-
can't
there's
believe
more-
somebody took the other bird. I mean,
believe
I
it.
just can't even...
Maybe it was an accident. We should
Oh,
go
because
talk
they
to
didn't
them.
pay her for it either, so definitely not on purpose.
Well, as Dorian said, this happens all the time. And I love these. I'm so glad you're going to love these too.
Yeah. So
And
whoever took it knew you were going
that's
to
why I
say
pushed
that's
all your stuff
already
there.
not available. So they were like, oh, I'll just...
But these,
I'll
my
just
mom loves
5-finger
collections.
discount. Yeah.
So she made me collect these, which I loved, but I also collected salt cellars.
I collect collections.
I mean,
like,
there's a lot of them.
yeah. So I need a total.
Oh, sorry. I don't know. What do you want to give me?
Okay, stay tuned till the end because I'll do the full haul at the end with everything that I spent and what I think each thing is worth in the current market. And it'll be available in my shop if I'm selling it, hudsonvintagefinds.com. I have sales and auctions every week on the Niche Shopping Network and here on this channel. You can text 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or a sale or a pop-up. Right now, I'm on my way to the next estate sale, which is 4 miles from here. Stay with me. Look at that. Look at this. Look at it. Okay, I am heading, oh my gosh, what is going on here? Okay, I'm heading over to the next estate sale. That is under 4 miles from where I am right now. This is going to be an amazing day. Stay with me. There'll also be a full haul at the end when I go over everything that I spend today, what it breaks down to, cost per item, and what I think it's worth. So stay with me. Through the gates. It's a long driveway. I'll see you in a couple minutes when I get there. Okay, so I saw her. It looked like she was carrying a lot of stuff, but it looks like she got the paper towels. So not worried about it. I am very excited to see what's in this house. This house is amazing. Oh, gosh, wait until you see it. Oh, look at the fountain. They have a fountain with a peacock. Okay. There it is. I love that. That's beautiful. All right, let's get in there. If you're just joining now, I'm looking specifically for vintage jewelry to collect and resell. And I have a shop, hudsonvintagefinds.com, and the links are below.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
Upstairs and downstairs as well.
All right, I want to check the jewelry first.
All right.
That is my passion.
Joanne? Okay, check and see what you want.
Okay. Oh, this is cool. I thought this was vintage, but it's not. I was looking at it and, oh no, it is vintage. I've seen them bigger. Oh, this is awesome. How do I know how much things are?
If you like anything, just ask. They're like probably, depending on whether there's stones in them or not, like $10 or less.
Okay.
If there's stones or something special, they might be more.
Okay. Wonderful, thank you. Ooh, I like those. Those look so real. Oh my gosh, those are gorgeous. Okay, so I'm interested. Should I just make a little section? All right, there's that one. And I want the peaches. I'll take.
Try to get the price for this if she's not busy.
Okay. Do I want, I don't, no, I just want those two.
They're nice.
Yeah, they feel nice too. But that one's a little messed up, so. Let's see what else is here. So this, oh, these are little freshwaters on string. So I don't really need that. Okay. Beach glass. I do like this. I think it's something with like mud beads. Okay. pretty for $5. Ooh, look at the letter opener. How much is this?
There's no price on it?
It's right next to a thing that says 5.
Yeah, no, we had a price on it. Somebody pulled it. I can put that with the stuff.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All right.
Thanks. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. You got a hammer. That's funny that the hammer is like in with everything else.
Yeah, who knows? Somebody probably brought it up.
Yeah, and then just...
Yep.
And then this is beautiful. That's 75.
This one's...
Okay, I'm going to keep looking around.
Yeah, there's a lot to look at. I'm going to put it on this table.
Thank you. Do you need my name or anything?
No.
All right. Thank you. Wow. Oh, it's real. It needs a home. It's a baby. It needs a new home. Oh, man. Wow. I'm going to do it. I can't abandon it. It needs a new mom. All right. Let me put this aside somewhere. Ooh, look at that. That's something you don't see every day. Wow. Can I get... This house is too big. I can't get it all in the frame. Like, help me. 20. Yeah, the place is literally too big to, but wow, man. Gorgeous couches. Some personal art. The things on the mantle are lovely. Let's see what's here. Oh, these are nice. Sparkly. Oh, I guess this is like for serving wine or whatever, you know, when you're having a party. Some floating candles. That's kind of fun. The air in here. So, oh my gosh, are there more of these? Oh, this is a cool one too. Wow, these are cool. Not that. That's plastic, but these, that's $5. I don't know. I really kind of like them. I'll leave them. I'll leave them. I think the peaches are amazing. The peaches are carved. This is pottery. Like it matters, I know. Okay, what is this? A sponge holder. An artful sponge holder. That's pretty groovy. It's made out of stone. Look, they have a matching sponge. Like that's how it is in these places. That's pretty awesome. I should buy that. I do like it. Little ashtrays. A wine bottle lamp. Some vases. Oh, all the different night lights. Hey, these are cool. That one's cracked. There's a whole bunch of them. Those are fun. They're a little too, like, designy for me. I like utilitarian things to be just utilitarian. Otherwise it gets like, you know, it's like over accessorizing an outfit. But I'm gonna try and plug one in that lights up. Outlet must be off.
Did you look in the basement?
Yeah, okay. This is ridiculous.
Those are cool. Oh, wow. What is this? I love it.
Look at the size.
Oh, it's a caftan.
No, look at this.
This is,
I don't care.
what is it? It's a lace robe. It's fabulous. I will get it. Do you guys know how much the clothing is?
No.
Okay.
Do you know if the sale goes on tomorrow, by any chance?
I think it does. Here's another one. All right. Okay.
Do you think the person worked for JJ? I think she had a shopping addiction.
I'm thinking she did. I'm thinking she worked there and she got her first job.
Okay. Oh, wow. Look at all the laptops. Oh, wow, man. 100, 120, 100. Wowzer. Oh, the chair is $250. The printer $75. Oh, look at those. That's New York, baby. New York City. $200 each. They're wonderful. Look at this room. I did get this. I mean, it's sort of a one size fits everyone. It's just this gorgeous, heavy, crocheted cotton lace in this gorgeous navy blue. Like, it's so perfect for everyone. So that might be a keeper, and it might end up for sale. I already got the jewelry, so this place is great. Oh, these are pretty. 9 pieces, $40. Those are beautiful. They're from Pottery Barn. They're beautiful. Great lamp, great lamp. Okay, there's more here. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Ooh, what is this? The heart. Oh, hey, my God, it's signed by the person who made it. This is signed. They don't know this. I am definitely getting that. And I'm looking for more. Lots of frames. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. Lights. Ooh, science project. Haven't seen one of those in a while, right, Danny? If you know, you know. Let us know in the comments if you know about that. Those are pretty. Oh, San Francisco. This person was from San Francisco. What is this one? Okay. Birds. Birds. This place really is too big to capture. Napoli, $35. Beautiful bowl. That's $150. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It's got like a nautilus in it. Oh, another one of these. And sea stones. Handmade in USA. I wonder what this one is. Interesting. Interesting. Let us know in the comments if you know what that is. What is this leather book? Is it a photo album? Yeah, it's an empty photo album. Okay, all right. Yeah. Okay, so now, just look at this. Crazy, right? Oh, beautiful linens. The linens are priced at the door. Oh, these are gorgeous. I need pillowcases because I sell purses, and I put the purses that I sell in the pillowcases. Oh, there's what those look like. That's the pillowcases. Look at the size of these rooms. Pretty incredible. Beautiful chair. Oh, we love the chair. Oh, we love the chair. $250. Oh, gosh, it's perfect. Look at it. Look at the shape and the ticking and the legs. I didn't see a mirror. Oh, here's one. Okay, let's check the, let's check this.
Is that the same lady that took forever to get the old guy involved?
Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, bags. That's awesome. What is this? This is so cool. A coat, okay. And then Mark by Marc Jacobs, of course. I recognized that. And then this green is fabulous. Ooh, tooled. That's super cool. That is super cool. It's $10. Oh, it's messed up. Oh, man. Okay. This one's $15. Dina and Ozzy. All right, that's cool. I am going to take the other stair down into the basement. Nespresso. I get it. I'm a big Nespresso fan myself. Pottery Barn. Lots of Pottery Barn stuff. Interesting. Oh, the chases are cheap. $125. Oh my gosh, just look at the symmetry of that.
Hey, see you. Puppy, no.
My puppy said home.
Here's the other side of this lamp. All right. House is too big, won't fit in the frame. But awesome, right? Awesome.
Computer for a drink. So if I was having company and I wanted it to look a little special, you can only hand wash it. It's from the Pottery Barn. That's just a fancy.
10,000. 10,000 with remote.
It's just like a decorative picture. You know.
Vienna Acoustics. Vienna Acoustics. Okay. Here it is. Yay. Oh, it's a whole other apartment down here. Oh, wow. This place is humongous. Toys and games in here. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, my gosh, this place is enormous. Just crazy. Crazy. Oh, look. I spent $135 total in both places, $90 for the first 10, and then $45 for the 5 in the second place. Total $135, 15 pieces. The average cost per item comes out to $9, and the value estimated is between $700 and $900. The Bluebird is worth about $17. It is a pomander. The coin necklace goes for between $45 and $75. The salt and peppers are $40. The pearl and gemstone necklace is about $100. The breastplate, turns out it's only worth about $60. I paid $45, but I still did okay. I'm still researching the paperweights and the ornament. Comps so far on the ornament, I haven't found the exact same thing, but it looks like comps are about $65 for similar ornaments, but I haven't found any that are signed. The silver plate letter opener is $25. The alabaster peaches are Italian. They go for about $45 each minimum, so $90 there. The white lace clothing, stay tuned after this haul. I do style them up with some turquoise and a nice Coach bag. I show a few different outfits, a few different ways, different belts. The white lace blouse might be a Gunny Sacks. Even if it's not, it's about $100. The petticoat is authentic and it's in sort of a museum quality condition, so that's about $200. Altogether, we have a nice estimate of between $700 and $900. Stay tuned for the styling and stay tuned for contact and subscriber info after that. The first thing I did was add a modern Obi leather belt and luggage and some leather riding boots for the sort of Western prairie look. I really wanted to lean into that. The next thing I did was add a vintage Orvis brown suede jacket and some turquoise. I added my favorite Native American turquoise bangle and a great Coach bag to go with the boots, some vintage turquoise Ralph Lauren and turquoise necklaces. Now I wanted to switch it up, so I changed the belt over to a horse buckle belt and an equestrian theme scarf in the hunter or olive green, and I added a really cute knit hat, and you can see similar vibe, totally different outfit, very cute, very sophisticated, and all of it thrifted or collected. Don't forget, I have auctions and sales twice a week. Sales on Fridays on the Niche Shopping Network at 7 p.m. and auctions on this channel Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Text 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or sale, or drop a video. Also, the links are below this video in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.